Yanbixin Technology Co. Limited, not only fulfilling long-term commitments to customers and corporate core values, continuously improve its own production process, meet different customers' pursuit of quality. Yanbixin filters are widely used in home appliances, medical equipment, fitness equipment, mechanical production equipment, intelligent terminals, electronic instruments and equipment, military supplies, power communications, variable frequency magnetic motors, etc. The T-Series has a plastic casing and a waterproof layer. Current up to 16 amperes. IEC Series 320 socket type, ultra-high performance high attenuation filter. The series has divided into single and double fuses or switch function. Designed for low leakage current and ultra-high withstand voltage requirements. C-Series is dedicated to medical equipment, socket, fuse and switch in one. Available in red, green and black. In order to meet customer installation requirements, a variety of installation sizes are designed, small and precise. DF series are used for mechanical equipment, installation inside the cabinet, various installation and output methods, current up to 200 amperes. D series are dedicated to fitness equipment. Customized, cost-effective, and obtained the Korean KC, CB, certification for specific needs. GH series have 520 volt, 440 volt, and 380 volt output voltages. P-Series is dedicated to PC board. Small and convenient is its characteristic. Current up to 6 amperes. The company uses advanced machinery and equipment, sourcing raw materials from quality brands, under the automatic process and large-scale production, guaranteed product consistency. With the spirit of Yanbixin's scientific and technological innovation, we have successively obtained national high-tech and city high-tech enterprises and national patent certificates. The power filter produced is fully certified, passed, full, TUV, NF, KC, CB, CQC, SIR, REACH and other certifications. Can be widely used in household appliances, medical equipment, intelligent integrated machines, servers and other products.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.